With us tonight is the distinguished actor who plays Blake Carrington, the powerful and aggressive oil tycoon on Dynasty. He's a man who time and time again has given us many memorable moments on television, motion pictures, and on the Broadway stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to give you Mr. John Forsythe.
When I came here this evening, I expected to hear this dais shower our Woman of the Year with honors, tributes, and praise. Well, I've heard Tip O'Neill say nicer things about President Reagan. I think it's time someone rose to defend Joan from all these vicious attacks. And as her colleague on Dynasty, I feel honor-bound to take that role. Just let me begin by saying that practically everything you've heard here tonight has been a fabrication. That means a lie, Dean.
Oh.
As I look at our guest of honor, it suddenly occurs to me that I put myself into a peculiar position. I'm defending a woman who would be much more fun to attack. But I must halt this unending stream of prevarications. That also means a lie, Dean.
I'm still working on fabrication.
You, red buttons. You dare malign this woman, you scarlet squirt, you munchkin with a motor mouth. That's why you'll never get a dinner. Just like Vincent van Gogh, who said, I like the hat, but it keeps sliding over my ear. And he never got a dinner. Yes, you should all be ashamed for having the audacity to abuse this innocent party. By the way, hasn't been to an innocent party in years. Gavin McLeod, how dare you insult this slip of a girl? Who incidentally looks like dynamite in her slip.
You telling me?
Now, you may be the captain of the Love Boat, but tonight your monologue was like the Titanic. Went right to the bottom. Joan, I don't know whether I can repair the damage that has been done to you tonight by these terrorists in tuxedos. But I want everyone to know that this dazzling lady sitting here is deserving of much better than she's received. And I, for one, offer her accolades. I say this because I work with her, and I know her to be a trooper and an unselfish team player. And if I don't say it, she'll take all my good lines on Dynasty. Joan, we all know I love you.